Hi folks, welcome to the interior of the 2018 Gateway 3810 RLB. I'm excited to show you this. Hey folks, take a look at our 4 to 6 place dinette area here with solid surface countertops. We have our LED on our pedestal here, and yes, we have a ton of storage that actually goes to the outside, so you can use it inside or outside. Over here you can see our huge kitchen area we'll get to in just a minute, but look at the LED lights here that actually will give you a night light so you can get through here. Folks, check out this huge 5-place reclining sofa that we have here. Cup holders at either end. This is a TV tray, and you can notice right over here the TV tray is at the end here where you can put another cup in there. But again, you got a 5-place seating area. If you only need it for 3, you also have these consoles that fold down easily out of the back of this sofa here. And you also have additional cup holders here. And yes, a USB port, so all of your kids and or you can use your phones and charge at the same time. Featured behind here is our huge windows again, folks. We also have our indirect lighting up here with all of our ceiling lights will be in LED lights as well. That is standard with the 3810 RLB Gateway. Hey, coming to the end of our 5-place reclining sofa in the Gateway 3810 RLB, we also give you these standard TV trays. They are available at each end. They just go right down in the hole there, so you can actually use it as a little cup. But speaking of TV trays, folks, I'm going to relax and sit down on this one because I want to view our 55-inch flat screen TV. That'll give you huge sights on football games, race car, NASCAR race cars, anything like that. On the right there, we also have our DVD stereo surround sound, which works in conjunction with your TV, but also gives you a USB port. So if you want to play your music on your phone, you can also charge it at the same time. Hey folks, this is the kitchen of the 3810 RLB Gateway. This is huge. You're going to enjoy this when we get through all of this. If you cook at all, this is your kitchen. This is a master chef kitchen. It's got a pull-out sprayer that moves out of the way. It's got a huge farm-style sink. And guess what, folks? On the back side, you can use this as a cutting board. So putting all this back together, you have tons of counter space on here. All over. You can put your coffee pot, your coffee. All this is prep area. You've got a flush mount glass top stove that this goes back as a splash guard. You got a big 3-burner stove here, folks. Look at this 30-inch convection microwave oven. It's a standard feature in our Gateway 3810. In fact, in all the Gateways. Lots of cabinet storage here. And folks, you wouldn't have a residential fifth wheel like the Gateway without these residential hidden hinges. That is something that'll catch your eye because you won't be able to see it outside. Look at all these cabinets up here, all over the place. You can put all kinds of storage in here, folks. We have utilized every square inch of headroom in here to cover up or to give you an abundance of storage. All the storage countertop over here as well. Look at all these kitchen drawers. We give you tons for all of your utensils and all your storage all the way down. And the neat thing that I like, it's in a U shape, so no matter where I'm pivoting, I'm cooking and I'm prepping and I'm getting ready, all in the same kitchen. And folks, this master kitchen would not be complete without, yes, the industry's biggest, largest 23 cubic foot residential refrigerator. And oh, by the way, gentlemen, we give you a 1,000-watt inverter with this, with every residential refrigerator. Look how big this is, just like you're going to find at home. Big double doors that open up, huge freezing area down here, and another tray. Folks, this is as big as the one I have in my house. What goes along with that is all your solid hardwood slide-out fascia with your LED backlit slide fascia. Again, folks, all real wood slide fascias around your Gateway. Hey folks, coming from that excitement in the kitchen area, we are moving to the back of the coach here, where this is actually a mom and dad coach and a grandma and grandpa coach. Because if you look back here, you have an abundance of room. There's not a bunk back here. There's a loft up here. But also, this sofa folds into a tri-fold bedding area. That's another neat thing. Again, our backlit slide fascia here, our big windows to give you lots of natural light. One of the neat features of this unit, folks, is we do have a half bath back here. With this back door back here, your kids can come into the bathroom, go to the bathroom, wash their hands, check their hair, and then go back outside. That way they don't have to come all the way through the main living area of the coach over here. Wow, look at all this storage, folks. This has got a lot of storage back here for this Gateway 3810 RLB fifth wheel. That way your kids or whoever's here has tons of storage area that they can store their goods back here. Everything that they're going to need. We also have more storage down here. This could be used for DVD players. This could be used for all your DVDs or your Xbox games or anything like that. Folks, you also got this 32-inch TV here that the kids can play. And again, got a great view from our love seat sofa back here that is a trifold. This is your stairway to heaven, folks. All these kids or grandkids here are going to love being up here in this loft. They got an outlet up there. They can play their TV, they can play their iPods, Xboxes, all that kind of stuff. But this ladder will take you up there and get them up and out of the way. Now moving out of the bunk room, loft room in the back through the living room, folks, I really wanted to show you here behind our cabinet here, so it's all closed in, is our command center. This is a Heartland command center showing all your freshwater tanks. You can turn on your water heater from here, your tanks, all your ceiling lights, lounge lights can all work on from here, your porch lights, your hydraulic slides are here, your awning, one of your awnings is here, fantastic fan which is in your kitchen area, and then down here you got your second awning and your bedroom slide out. You can move all that stuff right from one area, folks. It's a great way to have everything in one spot for you to operate your coach. Hey, why don't you follow me up here into our wide hallway, into our huge bathroom. Folks, Gateway is known for their big bathrooms. Big guys like me, if you've seen our other videos, can sit here, do your business, and not hit your knees on any cabinets or on the door or anything. Big medicine cabinets up here, folks, that you can store all of your shaving equipment, your toothpaste, your toothbrushes, all that kind of stuff here. And look, we use solid surface countertops. Folks, look at this LED light ring around there. That is something that we do almost exclusively because we want you to have a night light. So if you have to get up, get a drink of water, go to the restroom, you don't have to turn on the big bright LED lights that we have and wake up everybody else. Down here we also have a lot of storage underneath your bathroom sink. Here is a huge shower, folks. This thing is all one-piece fiberglass. Some of our competitors use tub surrounds and tub bases that are plastic. This is all fiberglass. Rock solid, going to give you a better feel. And being as tall as I am, I can fit in the shower. I can wash, do whatever with our nice shower faucet here. Curtain to close off, gives you some privacy. But again, places to put my soaps. This is a huge, nice area with a tub. Also, you have your big skylight here. So that way, if you're a little bit taller, you can get in and have plenty of room. Moving out of the shower, folks, I want to take you into our second doorway. This doorway goes directly into the bedroom. So when you have friends over that are also camping with you, you can have privacy in your bedroom where they can still come in and use the bathroom if they have to. But through here, again, another hard door closes off for privacy, but it moves you into the bedroom, which you have a king-size bed. You've got a pillow top mattress. You've got a lot of storage underneath. And if you notice, it's all finished off. Well, some of our competitors don't bother finishing off something that's underneath there, but we like to have a nice clean look at the Gateway product here. One of the other neat features, you like to sit in bed and read, we got a nice big padded headboard back there. Also, both of our side windows open up so you can get that cross ventilation. One of the neat features of our unit is we give you a ton of closet space. Up here, you got closet space on both sides. Again, hidden hinges, so you don't have to see those piano hinges that some of our competitors use. But here, folks, this is huge. You have a washer dryer prep area. That's a stackable washer dryer prep area that can use that stackable washer and dryer in here, and the doors will still close. 6 drawers here, folks. There's a lot of dresser drawers here that you can use. Some deep on the bottom and regular standard size on the top. Ball bearing drawer glides, hardwood sides, hardwood door faces. Again, huge amount of counter space. Here's where we vary with a lot of our competitors. A lot of our competitors will keep this a blank wall, give you a nice big 32-inch TV right there, but you have a dark area. We like to focus on a lot of natural light, so we give you this huge window right here. Great question. You're going to ask me, well, are you missing the TV? Absolutely not. Here at Heartland, we do a lot of ingenuitive things here to give us a 32-inch TV that slides right out of the side. You can move it and view it to your area while you're laying in bed if you want, and you still have your nice big window with the natural light. Again, this is Rob Reid coming to you from Heartland RVs, and it's been my pleasure to show you the 2018 3810 RLB Gateway, also known as our Shade Tree fifth wheel. Hey, for more information on this and other Gateway products, please go to our website, www.heartlandrvs.com, or follow us on social media. Thank you, and we look forward to the Gateway being your gateway to your next big adventure.